What today I'll be showing you how to install an oil pickup from On Point. It's pretty simple. Only thing I was confused about was when I got my seal plate. These two holes wasn't there. So you pretty much have to measure it out and drill them in. And the holes are for the motor guide, which you put your oil pump in so that the repositioning rings fits. So yeah, measure it out. Probably different if you don't have your motor off, so yeah, you figure it out. But yeah. So once you're doing all that, I'll show you how to put your repositioning ring on. So you take the rubber mount off, position your repositioning ring on just like that. I bent mine up already. Yours will come flat, so you just get some pliers, vice grips or whatever, and bend it up. Yep, so then you put on your rubber mount. And then to make it easier, I take my rubber mount off and just put it in the seal plate. Slide it in just like that. Boom. And once when they say in the guide or the instructions, they say turn it 180 degrees. This is what it looks like when you pull it out. So you just basically just turn it around. Boom. So now the new repositioning ring will go into the motor guide. So you just stick it in like that. Boom. See, it holds it perfect. Now I want to show you how to install it. So once you take it off, you can see how the seal holds everything in place, just like that. Make sure everything's lined up. The motor guide, the hose. Boom, and it's in there. So once you do that, you can put your seal make on, all that shit, then put your oil pan back on, then you're good to go. Okay, another way you can check to see if you put everything in the right place, you'll have to remove your clutch cover, as we're looking through right now. As again, this is the motor guide where the new repositioning ring goes. So to check that, once again, remove your clutch cover. As you can see it, and you better see your repositioning ring sit right in it.